In this video, we're going to have a look at how to use another tool of the Czech corpus to help you discover a few things about Czech. And we have looked at the different forms that we can find out, for example, Praze, but how do we actually know what it means grammatically? And here we can use another tool of the Czech corpus, and that's hidden under this grid at the top. And the tool lets us search for lists. And so I'm going to click here, and I'm going to choose KorpusDB, which is not very descriptive, but that's what it's called. It's the database of the corpus. And as you can see, I've already searched here for the form Praze, and what that gives me is the lemma, which is the dictionary form, but then it tells me what's happening grammatically. So it tells me Praze could either be a locative case or it can be a dative case. So that form has that same form could mean one of two things, and it also does mean it's feminine and it's singular. So let's try this with another word. So we already had voda. So we knew that the most frequent form of the word voda is actually vody rather than voda. So I'm going to search for that, and it's going to tell me that vody could be genitive, singular, and that's by far the most frequent word. So the frequency here matters. And then it tells me that another meaning could be noun, feminine, plural, accusative. That's the next frequent, and then so I'm actually seeing multiple waters, and it just tells me some other options as well. Now, I can see then again when I'm learning the plural of the or the form vody, then the genitive is more frequent than the plural. And but if I add up to the plural, nominative, and accusative, those are perhaps the most important things. So again, so when you're learning forms of the word, you can decide which particular meanings of those forms you should learn. And so that's really all that this tool does for you. There are many more things you can do if you're doing linguistic research. You can, for example, search for words that just start with that. So if I, for example, search for the word for anything that starts with the letters V or D, I can do a search, and it's going to show me all the options here. So I can see again vody, voda, vodje, but then also if I scroll down, I see other words, and it's going to tell me about their forms and so on. So that's something that you can use to explore this further. But essentially, that's how you find out what a particular form of a word is grammatically.